Step out of the vehicle.
Wait, come on, where'd it go?
Yan guys, uso na naman yung pagdakip ng mga illegal immigrants. Dito yan sa amin. Oh my goodness. Hi, concentrate na lang tayo dito sa bahay. Hi guys, kumusta po kayo? This is Marilyn, your friendly Filipino carpentera here in America. At medyo natapos-tapos ko na yung pananim ko doon sa labas ng mga roses ko at other plants. So ngayon, magko-continue ako sa aking trabaho dito sa loob. At least for tonight. Hopefully tomorrow, may gana pa rin ako guys. Wala na talaga ako motivation to finish the job. Kaya lang kailangan kasi ang dami pang dapat trabahuin. Tingnan nyo yan, oh. Yan. Dapat pa yung i-install. Tapos si Dan sana mag-i-install niyan. Kaya lang, he's working now full-time with my other contractor. So yan siya guys, 45 Building Systems Group, Aquabar B, hardwood floor, and tile underlayment. Yung tile hindi ko linagyan nito. Tapos made in USA kasi ngayon guys, most of our products here are already manufactured in the United States. Ito na po yung ating kahoy na ating i-install dito sa ating sahig. Guys, palpak. Ang dami kong nails and screws dito. Yan wala akong finished nails. Screw, another screw. Yeah, I couldn't find a finished nail. Okay, so what are we going to do when we all go out? Wala tayong or finishing nail, so hindi talaga natin ito ma-work tonight. But at least napakita ko sa inyo yung moisture barrier. Diba? Dito sa Amerika, ang daming mga chichiburitsi. Kala nyo, for example, dyan sa wall na yan. Unang layer is ang ating plywood. Dapat treated. Meaning, pag mababasa, hindi malalanta. And then after that, second layer is lagyan ng insulation na pakakapal. And then third is lagyan ng drywall. Fourth is lagyan ng joint compound. And then fifth is doon sa labas lagyan ng plastic wrap. I-wrap mo ng plastic ang buong bahay. And before you can actually install the sidings. That's the sixth. Sa walls lang guys, 6 steps yung gamitin mo. Unlike dyan sa atin, di ba install mo lang yung plywood tapos dito ang dami pang mga chichiburitsi para hindi malalanta at yung ating bahay hindi like itulak mo lang babagsak na. Hindi siya ganon kasi kahit na kahoy ang daming mga layers of protection, kailangan pa din ng moisture barrier. So yan, before ka makaka-apply ng iyong hardwood floors. So yan. Tapos, syempre, ang ating hardwood floor is malamig, mag-shrink, kung mainit, mag-expand. So, dapat hindi siya nakasadsad talaga dyan sa dingding. tired. Bits and pieces of sleep. But anyway, guys, happy 18th anniversary of my coming to America to me. My goodness, 18 years ago, pumunta ako dito sa Amerika. Tapos, ay naku, 103 pounds pa ako noon. Ngayon, 115. Nagagandahan pa yung asawa ko noon sa akin. Right?
What's that?
When I first arrived here, you were like, oh, she's so beautiful. How about 18 years after?
Older beauty now.
Older beauty now. Yeah, right. You're just saying that because you're on camera. Anyway, kain mo na kami.
Cats would destroy that in the first day.
Baka mahulog ka dong. Kakatakot yung mukha niya. Ay, namimiss kong Pasko sa Pilipinas. Magkano ba ito? Oh, jeez. $80. Mahal.
They got the Christmas and Halloween.
Yeah, I kind of like this one too. How much is this? There's, oh jeez, 129.
Let's send it to Mom.
Guys, tingnan niyo. Halloween.
Who dares disturb our ancient practice? Hast thou come to offer thyself to the darkness? The wind carries whispers of thy fate, dearie. The hour is nigh, and we require a sacrifice. Thou shalt be marked for the apple.
That's scary.
Hallows Eve night.
No, you're not my type. Ito na yung bud na binidyo ko the other day. And look, it's starting to open up. And ang ganda. Ang ganda. Diba, look at the colors. Tapos, pag nalalaki na yan, magiging ganito na. Okay, beautiful. Tapos, ito papunta na sa kanyang end of stage, flowering stage. Pati ito na. But then, merong mga buds na dumadating. Ayan. Yan. So, I think that would be the last batch of the buds before winter will come. So, ito yung mga inano natin. Na-trim natin the other day, I guess. Ito, malapit na din ito sa kanyang cycle. Wala na siyang petals on the other side. But di bali na, ganun talaga yung buhay. May mawawala at saka mayroong dadating. Ito, I'm excited for this one kasi meron na siyang bud. Oh, I love this color. This is like really red burgundy color. Yang color na yan ay katulad din doon. Yang napakataas. Yan. Parang blood red yung color niya. Ay. nakakawala ng problema guys ang mga bulaklak. So, tingnan nyo yung ano namin, bahay namin sa loob. Naku, kitang-kita dun sa mga kapitbahay kung nasa loob ka. Kaya kailangan namin ng window treatment dito.